Want to write a string to a file in Java? It's a fundamental skill for everything from logging to saving user data. In this guide, I'll walk you through an efficient and safe method to write your string data to a file, step by step. But before we get started, if you find this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who's just starting their Java journey. Alright, let's begin. Here in our main method, we have a simple string called data that we want to save into a file named outputFile.txt. To handle file operations, which can sometimes fail, it's best practice to use a try-catch block. This will help us gracefully manage any I/O exceptions that might occur, like if we don't have permission to write to the directory. Inside the try block, we'll start by creating a FileWriter. This object is responsible for opening a connection to the specified file. For better performance, we'll wrap our FileWriter in a BufferedWriter. This is a great habit to get into because BufferedWriter uses an internal buffer to write data in larger, more efficient chunks, rather than writing character by character. Next, we simply call the write method on our buffer and pass in our data string. Now, this next step is crucial. You must close the stream by calling buffer.close. This action flushes any remaining data from the buffer into the file and releases the file resource from your program. If you forget to close the stream, your file might end up empty. Finally, we'll add a print statement to let us know that the process was successful. In the catch block, we'll print an error message in case anything went wrong. Let's run the code. As you can see, we get our success message. And if we check our project directory, the output file.txt has been created with our string inside. And just to show you, if we change the content of the data string and run the code again, the file is overwritten with the new content. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently and safely write a string to a file in Java using FileWriter and BufferedWriter. If this helped, I'd really appreciate a like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.